chapter, it is called as linear inequation. Okay, now linear inequation means you will have variables and constants. So what are the variables? It can be x, y, any variable a to z. And what are the constants? Numbers. Okay. So now you have, if you have x and y are the two quantities, then both of these quantities will satisfy any one of the conditions. Now you have four conditions. In these four conditions, any one will be satisfied. So what is the first condition? When x is greater than y. Second condition, greater than or equal to. Third condition, x is less than or less than y. And the fourth condition is x is less than or equal to y. Now for an example, I'm just writing x is greater less than a, x is greater than or equal to y. So these four conditions should be satisfied in this chapter, linear inequality. Now what do you mean by linear inequations in one variable? See, if a, b and c are real numbers, then it is called as linear inequation. For example, ax plus b greater than c. How do you call this? How do you call this?
Ax plus b is greater than c.
You have one line here, then it is ax plus b is greater than or equal to c. So this is the difference. If this, only you have this side, it is greater than. You have one side below, it is greater than or equal to c. Understood, challenge? Now next. Now what are of inequality? There are four types of inequality. Whatever I have done here, same thing. So what is it? Can you tell me?
Greater than, lesser than, greater than or equal to, lesser than or equal to.
In inequality, you have only these four signs. Now what do you call this sign as?
Equal to.
And what is this sign called as?
Not equal to.
So equal to or not equal to is not used over here. You have only these four. In the whole chapter, you have only these four. Okay. Now to understand better, there are 6 rules in this chapter. These are the 6 rules. Okay. I have given it in a summary way. So what is the rule? When does the inequality sign does not change? Inequality signs means greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to. So these are the inequality signs. So when does the inequality sign does not change? When you have positive or negative term transposition. I will explain you with an example. Now example, if you have x plus 3 greater than 7. So what you do? You need only x terms one side, constants other side. So x is greater than 7 plus 3 will when it goes to the other side minus 3. So 7 minus 3 is 4. So here the inequality sign will not change. Another example, when x minus 5 is less than 15, again you need only x, so you keep only x here, you take minus 5 to the other side. So it is 15 plus 5, so x is less than 20. Has the inequality sign changed here? No. So when it does not change, when you have positive or negative term transposition. Next, when does the inequality sign does not change? There are two conditions where it does not change at all. Next is when you are multiplying and dividing both sides by the same positive number. Again I repeat, when you are multiplying and dividing both sides by the same